So today we are doing a demonstration of how a backdrop banner is fixed and installed. And the good thing about this backdrop banner is that it's collapsible, and we have different sizes of the backdrop banner. We have one that measures 2.25 square, and another one that goes for 2.25 by 3 meters, which is basically the largest. So we have different components of this backdrop banner. One comes with a carrier back and the stand that is used as a backdrop. So once you've got the backdrop banner, you have to make a printout of the banner that is now going to be fixed on the backdrop banner. We have this material here that is called Velcro, that is basically used to attach the backdrop banner on the stand. Now we want to see how it is installed, so let's stretch it up. That is how the backdrop banner is basically opened up, and the good thing is that it has got some locks for locking it up like that, so that it does not collapse back again. After you have finished locking all the locks, you now take your skin, and the best idea about this backdrop banner is that because of the height it has, it is ideal you put it to lie down first. You put the stand to lie down first, put the stand to lie down first, like that. Then hold your skin off from edge to edge. That is how you attach the Velcro. You hold it from this other corner again. Be careful. And you attach it like that, and then it's put to stand. It's put to stand like that, and can be used in any event, mostly outdoor events, for your anniversaries, for your company events, and sometimes even as a photographer, especially if you are into brands. You need like this. Make your order from Sign Ventures, www.signventures.co.ae. You will be able to get our contact address, that's the email address, and even our SM accounts for your orders. Thank you. On an installation, you put it to lie down like that. You remove your skin, fold it up like that, So once you removed your skin, now you remove all the locks of the stand, and you make sure all the locks are unlocked with the stand. All the locks are removed like that. All the locks are removed, and then the backdrop stand is just collapsed like that and placed back into its carrier bag for your future use. Thank you.